How to double crochet. Yarn over, insert your hook through the space underneath the two loops, pull through a yarn from the other side, pull it through the front. Now you have 3 loops on your hook. Yarn over, pull through the first 2, then now there's 2 left, yarn over again, pull through the last 2 loops. Repeat. Yarn over, insert your hook through the 2 loops underneath the 2 loops, yarn over again, pull through the space again, there's 3, yarn over again, pull through the first 2, yarn over again, pull through the last 2, and repeat. Turn the work. 1, 2, chain, yarn over in the first space, working on the back side emphasizes the front side. Turn the work, and there you have it.